Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick informal video. In today's video, we're talking about, again, Metro by T-Mobile's 5G home internet powered by T-Mobile, guys. Very, very good promotion. We actually just picked this up about, yesterday, actually. Not for the house. I still have AT&T fiber in my house, but at my mom-in-law's house, she does not. And she has really good 5G ultra wideband through T-Mobile, which, like I said, it's basically, when I mentioned T-Mobile, that's talking about Metro, because Metro is using T-Mobile. It's Metro by T-Mobile. T-Mobile, like I said, basically owns Metro by T-Mobile. So let's talk about it. They have a really good promotion going on right now, and I'll tell you all about it. You're basically going to get the box for free. Well, not the box, but you pay $50 for the box. So the box was $100 right now. Really good promotion. You can get it for $50 plus you get the first month of service for free. So for $50, guys, you're saving basically $100 on this. It would have cost you $150, but you're getting it for $50, so you're saving $100. It says your first month of 5G home internet on us. That's savings of $50, no BS. So that's true. They're not lying about that. I think out the door I paid $50. It was $50. Taxes and fees included. It says with instant rebate when you add home internet to any Metro voice plan, $50 device payment required. So remember, to get this, we did not have Metro by T-Mobile, so we actually had to buy service. So out the door, it was about $95. The service, was it 90? Maybe it was 90 or 95. It wasn't more than $100. $90, I believe it was. Basically, that was the phone, which we got the $40. We ported over a number and got the $40 plan, which is right here when you switch over to Metro by T-Mobile. And then we also got the home internet. So literally it was under $100 for both of them, guys. So yes, it does work. So it says your first month free of 5G. That's true. We didn't pay for the service. We just paid for the box. The box used to cost $100, $99.99. Now it's $49.99. So $50, guys. They're really pushing this home internet. And let me tell you guys, we're pushing speeds really, really fast. I actually have a couple pictures. Here, let me see if I can show you guys how fast this thing is. Here with ultra wideband, guys, we're getting 338 down and 50.9 up. So this is pretty cool. Let me see if I can show you this, guys. I don't know if it'll show right there, but look at that. Those are the speeds that we got. Really fast. Like I said, we had about 4 out of 5 bars, and you remember to get that, you have to have ultra wideband or the ultra wideband through T-Mobile, or the fastest one that they actually have, I believe, is called the ultra wideband. Let me check on the coverage. Sorry, I double checked. Ultra capacity is what it's called. I don't know why I said ultra wideband. That's more Verizon, I think, that I was thinking about, but ultra wideband is basically ultra capacity. Let's see. Well, you know what I mean. Basically, you have to have good coverage with Metro by T-Mobile. Ultra wideband, I believe, is what they call it. So you can find out more. Let's go into it, guys. But I'm telling you guys, this is faster than my home's internet, which is crazy because I'm paying $80 a month. T-Mobile doesn't work in my area, so I cannot get this. If not, I would get it. But also, I'll tell you a couple things. Latency is higher. Of course, because you're using a cell phone tower to ping off it, so of course latency will be a little bit higher compared to a direct home internet connection. Like here, my house with AT&T fiber, the latency is like 9 or something like that. I am pushing about 500 to 600, but still, guys, for testing this thing out, like I said, I'm a firm believer. This is highly recommended. It works perfectly great, and it's unlimited data. That's the best thing about it. So it says freedom to switch. It says try out our service for 30 days, see if it works for you, or get your device payment refunded. Wow, really cool. It says we'll cover your early termination fees up to $500. So really nice. So check this out. No exploding bills, no hidden fees, no BS price locks. Pretty cool. Limited time offer. Get your first month of home internet on us. So that's what we got. Really, really cool, guys. Like I said, this is what we decided to get, and it's what we did. It's really fast and convenient. And then that's about it. But basically, I'm here to tell you guys, really good promotion. So right now, it price dropped to $50 a month, and your first month of free home internet. So it's not bad at all. You have 30 days to try it. I remember without autopay it's $5 more, so it's 55, or with autopay it's 50, guys. But if I'm pushing 3 to 400 megabits per second on this, it's really fast. I'm gonna say I'm a firm believer of it, and check it out. See, you can also check out if it's compatible in your address, because not everybody will be able to get this device. You have to be, I believe, in an ultra capacity area to get at least a 5G router, is what Metro by T-Mobile told me when I went into the store. So, but pretty cool, very fast, easy process. I was in about 30 minutes, got a phone, and got this home internet as well. So very cool. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and do you like these promotions? Really good. I would recommend it. It works. You can game and stream videos all day long. Pretty cool.